Thank you for watching this Discover video tutorial. Before I begin, I want to point out that I'm aware of the irony of me using YouTube to deliver a Discover video tutorial. If that is an example of irony, I'm not sure. But anyway, you can get to Discover video by going to discover.southingtonschools.org. You don't have to write the /sign-in part. That'll get added automatically. I created a test account called Mr. Smith, and I'm going to click Login. Okay, you can upload a video by going to Media and then Video on Demand. But before I upload any video, I need to have a video first. So I'm going to show you how to do just a quick video. If you're on a Mac, if you're on a PC, the procedure will be different. I'm going to go to the Finder, and then Applications, and then Photo Booth. And this is me, if you don't know what I look like. Right now, this is on the camera. I'm going to set it to take a video, and I'm going to click this here. And not sure what to say. Hello world, something or other. I'm going to stop it. And here's the video right here. I'm going to right-click on it and say Export. And I'm just going to give this a name, Test Movie. And be aware of where you're putting it too. You know, I'm going to put this on my desktop just so I'll know exactly where it is. All right. Not sure what this. Let's try that one more time. Export. Put it on the desktop. Test Movie 2. Save. Okay, so this is the movie here that I'm going to upload. So I'm going to click Upload Video. Just going to call it Test Movie 2. You don't have to put in a description or an author. Things like the category and the tags, those are mostly for indexing and making videos easier to find. We won't go over that at this time. By default, the movies stay up there for 10 years. So it's June 1st today, 2016. It'll be good until 2026. I've also created containers or channels for each department at the Palo. There's corresponding ones at Kennedy too if you're a Kennedy teacher. And then for each team as well, blue team, silver team, and so forth. I'm just going to put it in the first one, which is the art department at JAD. You could change the thumbnail to, if you want the icon for the video to be something different. It has a max time by default of 99 hours. I don't think that'll be a problem for anyone. You can password protect the video. By default, these videos are not available on the open web. Users have to be logged in. So you probably really don't need to put anything in there. You probably don't need to limit the number of users. We'll go over groups another time. And documents, this might be handy like if you're doing like a lesson, like maybe like a flipped classroom where you record a video of you teaching, and then you could have some accompanying documents for the video. You can add them in here. And then very last thing is we select the video. So I'm going to go to Desktop. I'm going to do Test Movie 2, and I'm going to upload the video. Now this takes a very long time to complete. It looks like it's completed, but if I go back to this here, notice it still says web upload. We have to wait till this is finished. So I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's done. Okay, so the video is complete. If I click on this here, I could edit it or delete it. Now I'm logged in as Firefox under the Mr. Smith account. I'm going to flip over to Chrome. And I have a JAD student test account that I'm going to use to see if the student can see the video. So once the student logs in, they can go to System Channels. It opens up a new tab, and then they can go to whatever school they're at. And then click on Map, and then whatever channel it was added to. In this case, it was the art department. So they can click on that, and they can say, click here to open channel. And here's the movie, Test Movie 2. They can click on it and watch it. I just want to say a note about, I'm flipping back over to Mr. Smith. I want to say a note about YouTube videos. You can click here and add a YouTube video. And you might be wondering, why would I put a YouTube video up on Discover Video? Why wouldn't I just send the YouTube link to my students? You might do this because Discover Video strips away all the ads. So let's just do that real quick. We'll say youtube.com. Gonna get a good cat video. And you can just highlight the URL and copy it. And then flip back to Discover Video. I'm on Chrome. I did that by accident. I'm going to go back to here. We'll skip all this stuff for now. Again, I'll put it in the art department folder. And then at the bottom here, I'm going to, just bear with me, I skipped over it, video URL. I'm going to right click here and go to paste. And then save it. And now if I switch back over to Chrome, where I'm logged on as a JAD student, and refresh this, now we see Mr. Smith's favorite cat videos. So this is just a quick introduction to this Discover Video. It does a lot more things, but I just wanted to get everyone logging in and uploading and sharing videos and getting used to the system. So hopefully soon there will be more to come.